When you take your car to oil change, you know this is aluminum, and somebody was changing your oil, and after they did it, they over torqued the bolt, right? And your bolt got stripped. Now this is a 14 mil with a 1.5 thread on it, and when they screw this up, you will have a hard time to go find the screw on that, right? Don't take too many rookie that don't know how to do oil change. When you insert it, you don't really insert all the way, and then you using force to it, and that caused the bolt strip. Now I'm going to show you how to do it. This is the only way you can save this oil pan and not buy another oil pans, because you're going to cost your legs and arm to do that. To do this job, which is will cost you lots of money if you don't know how, and if you take to somebody else, they will recommend to replace the oil pans. What you have to do, go buy this oil seal from Auto Part, and go get one of this from the hardware store. Okay, this is 16 1.5 thread, which doesn't fit in there. What you have to do, get the 1.5 thread on a 16 right there. Okay, 16 1.5 thread. Put this in there and redo it. Okay, simple. Get this right here, somewhere eBay, or you can buy from any hardware store if they have one this size. Okay, if they don't, then you just order from eBay. I think they do have online. And this piece right here, you don't have to have it. You can using a 12-point socket that fit inside here and use your wrench. That would be good too. So don't tap this against the metal. You're going to damage the teeth. So tap with the wood like this. Okay, as long as you go in a little bit like that, then you're okay to be using ratchets on that. Make sure it's straight. And then return a little bit, and then go forward again. So you have, okay, if you get tight, then you go return and go back and forth until you have a deep down the screw. Okay, I recommend to clean it, because you don't want to get too dirty right here, and that was damage the teeth inside. Then you screw up again. Okay, if you use a longer one, have more lever for me. Okay. Okay, now back up more. Okay, you see all this? You need to clean all this out. Okay. Alright. One more time. Alright, that should be enough. Okay, So now you can see that brand new thread. Okay, brand new thread. After clean inside there already, so I'm going to put these bolts in. Okay. Okay, that's pretty good. Alright, thank you for watching and subscribe. Bye bye now.